Hi, today we're going to have a look at operating expenses tracker and see how we can utilize that particular template to keep track of all your operating expenses. So this is a particular template that I was talking about. So if you see this template, we have an expenses table at the bottom where you can put all expenses under one glance. So we have the date field, the details of the expense, the category of the expense, the vendor name, the amount, whether the expense is a recurring expense or not, the payment method, the status of the payment, and then the notes. You can customize this particular table to suit your own requirements. But so far, these are the things that have been added. If you want to add a new category, simply click over here and you can simply type out any new category name and it will automatically allow you to add a new category if you click over here. Or else you can use the existing categories that have been defined. Okay. If you want to edit any of these categories, simply scroll to the top and click on this pencil icon and you can start editing this existing category what has been defined. So once you have put in the expenses, you can see on the top we have the budget expense that is being shown, the actual expenses that was incurred, and the percentage of the budgeted expense that has been utilized so far. Okay. So just to give an example, for the rent head, we have put an expense of $2,500. If I change this value to let's say $10,000, the percentage of expense is getting updated. Okay. So this will update for every expense that have been entered. So if I change this as well, it will also get updated. And similarly, if I change the expense amount that has been entered, okay, so let's say I put in $2,800, it is also getting updated. Okay, so this is dynamic and it is both way related. You can update the budgeted expense head amount from here, and you can update the expense amount from this table. Okay. Another thing that has been added is the summary section. So if you go to the summary side, you can see the total budgeted expense that was set. So if jumping back to category, we have the 3,000, 4,000, and $5,200. So we have the total budget of $5,200 and the total actual expense of $3,500. So it shows a difference of $1,700, and thus 67% of the actual expense of the budgeted expense amount has been incurred so far. So this is a quick summary of the entire operational expenses that has been running in a business. So this is a quick demo of how you can utilize this particular template to as per your requirement. You can further customize this template to suit your needs. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you further on that. Thank you.